What's up, guys? This is part two. As you can see, we're still back at where we left off. Yeah, this is where we're still at. On, I'm gonna switch back my screen and making sure that everything's okay. On, we'll keep my controls right here. Yeah, on, and switch back. Okay, never mind. Seems to gone. Okay, never mind. Never mind that. I'll fix it another time. Parking brake release. Oh, release. Let's go. Which gear am I? Why am I in ninth gear, bro? What? Wait, which idiot put me in ninth gear? Ninth gear. Whatever. Let's go, guys. We got delivery to make. Hold on. Oh, my gas pedal's all the way back into the table. Like, oh my gosh. And my phone turned off. That's just great. On the road again. We'll be doing better on the road again. Singing copyright music is my thing. So, basically, the day when you guys see this is like a couple days after when the first video get uploaded, and this is the same day when basically the same day when I first created the first one. When I created the first one, and then I'm gonna do part three right after, but I have to break it up into parts because one, this trip is super far, like it's very far. So I will I should have cut it up like skip it for you guys, but my control thing does not seems to wanna appear on my screen, not your screen, but on my screen. So you guys gonna have to watch it quite raw. And I don't really edit none of my videos. Like legit don't edit none of my videos. I just try to make it as perfect. Then again I will try my best to like add a little music in the background for you guys, but I don't really edit my videos a lot. Most of my videos that you see is edited. Just that I don't really edit stuff when I'm playing on PC. But because I don't really have an editing software on my PC currently, I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna work on getting an editing software on my PC very soon, coming to the channel. Well, coming to me because it's gonna be easier for me. Easier for me to edit my videos and whatever. Well, help my channel get more views, like legit more views, so I could get my channel monetized. I know I have to get around 1,000 subs and oh my gosh, that's a lot of subscribers. I wish I had that much. Mm. I really want to sneeze so bad, but I can't sneeze. You know the feeling when you want to sneeze but you can't sneeze. Yeah, that's what my nose is literally doing right now. How is this truck doing 35 miles per hour? I'm in 12 gear. Come on. Oh, I was pressing on the gas pedal. That's why. Big idiot. Ah, gosh. Um. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna be playing Fortnite because number one, Fortnite's not really cool in my thing. I don't think Fortnite's cool. Oh my gosh. GTA is coming to the channel. Yes. As soon as I work out. Oh my gosh. As soon as you get in speed, like the steering is so touchy. I'm using my fingertips right now, bro. That's so touchy the steering is. Like, damn. Well, cut speed, maybe. Wait to let off the gas a little bit. Because my steering is so touchy. Like, like I'm not purposely changing lanes. It's way how touchy it is. So touchy, man. So, it's so touchy, like, it's like, when when it chooses to change gear, chooses to switch lane, I just like went along with it because I just want to make it look like I'm a professional. Well, on the inside, I'm not really that good. I am gonna practice driving an 18 wheeler in real life. I know people's gonna be like, dude, it's not gonna be impossible unless it's gonna be an automatic. I'm actually gonna drive one. It's a Kenworth T60. That's just gonna be my first attempt, bro. Actually, I don't know how to activate my Jake brakes. I'm not really I'm climbing the mountain currently. No one. Why the hell is my truck dropping speed like? Uh, I need to keep remembering to press the damn gas pedal. Like, it's like, why the hell is my truck dropping speed so much? Oh, sucks to be him. Loser. I almost ended this dude. All I wants to look at this poor dude over there in my rearview rearview mirror. Damn it, I can't talk so well. Let's go up in 10th gear. Let's see what 10th gear could do. Getting to speed, and now we're going downhill. This is gonna be a fun ride. Woo-ha! Hold on to your seats, boys. I'm not really a good driver, so I'm just hoping that my capability is good. Cause right now I'm like flying. I'm legit flying. Oh my gosh! I just saw I'm going like 60 miles per hour with I'm legit flying, bro. Attach some wings to my trailer, and we'll be flying to Mexico, boys. Okay. Okay, and after all that rash right there, really general rash. Now we're going down the hill, boys. Some people might call me the worst driver, but I ain't the greatest driver. I know that for a fact. Let's go back into 10th gear. Cause for some reason my moving so slow. Never mind, I'm moving quite fast actually. Ooh, almost hit this dude. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, bro. I'm burning gas. My gosh. I need to hire myself an editor to like put a red circle out right there on my gas tank. Like legit. Look at my gas tank. It's like falling fuel. I'm using my knees to hold the steering wheel steady because right now it's so touchy, man. It's so touchy. That's what happens when you have a such touchy steering wheel. When I reach to the next exit, I'm gonna like legit probably might have to buy gas because right now I'm literally running out. And I haven't crashed my truck. That's a plus. I mean I'm getting better, man. Actually, I have to let my foot. Why my gas pedal keeps on sinking all the way back? Okay, that's way too close, bro. That's way too close. This is off camera, like legit off camera fixing. I'm fixing my steering wheel. I'm legit sliding back to my feet. Let's go up into 10th gear. Let's go, boy. Let's put some horsepower into those. Oh, I almost crashed into this dude's Tesla. Go, go, Tesla. Go past me if you can. I know Teslas are supposed to be faster than this old 18 wheels. Hey, go, Tesla. Go. Now I'm gonna race this Tesla. Why am I breaking the speed limit and Tesla is legit going faster than me? What kind of nonsense is that, bro? That's stupid. Tesla's legit going faster than me, and I'm legit going over the speed limit. Damn it, Tesla. Damn, this dude flying. This dude flying. Actually, no, I should have go get gas. Damn it. I should have probably get gas. I'm such a big old fool. And now I'm just driving off the road like a big old goofball. Damn it. Guys, please ignore me. I'm just doing my best because I'm not playing on keyboard right now. I'm playing with a steering wheel, like an actual steering wheel. How the hell a bus passed me? I ask myself this question every day. How the hell that bus passed me? Everyone's legit passing me right now. Okay, guys. I gotta pull over, like legit pull over. I legit need to pull over. I need to turn down my steering sensitivity. Guys, I legit need to turn down my steering sensibility. What the hell? I need to turn down my steering sensitivity, bro. Like I could not do this, bro. I legit cannot do this. Where is steering sensitivity? There. Turn it down a little bit there. There we go. Okay, let's continue driving now, guys. Are you gonna give me pass, bro? You gonna give me pass, bro? Oh, you're such a mean butt. Give me pass, please. Pass. Nope. Give me pass. No. Oh, dude, please. Just give me a damn pass. Bro, give me pass. Damn, these damn cops flying. I gotta get up in speed now. I'm flooring it right now. And I'm legit in sixth gear. Come on. You don't tell me this is how fast you go now. When I turned on my steering sensitivity, it affect the way how fast my truck drive because I'm legit can't go above 30 right now. That's how fast I'm going. I can't go above 30. And this truck is about to pass me, bro. Like legit. Why is life so cruel? No, I lost him. I'm trying to race this dude. Come on, bro. You're hauling empty, and you came over into my lane like a big old goof. Stay into your lane, bro. Mm, I'm I'm gaining on him. Oh damn it! My exit is right here, dude. My exit's legit right here, bro. I was focusing on trying to beat this dude. My exit's legit right here. My exit's right here, guys. Almost there. Oh, I can see the destination flag. Why would you look at that? That means this episode is almost finished. Ooh, doggies! Almost fly past like that. Don't do that. Okay, nobody coming down there. Let's go, guys. Legit, no one's coming down there. Oh, wide boy. It's a wide boy here. That turbo, like, legit's burned my ears. That turbo's legit. Those turbos, like, did damage my ears. And if you're down in the comment section, like, saying that trucks don't have turbos, you big old goof. Yes, trucks do. Research it. Research it. Trucks have diesel turbos, like legit diesel turbos. Like I know it sounds stupid and all, but trucks have turbos. Just Google it. Legit Google it. Trucks do have turbos. I I know that for a fact. Like hold on. I'm going when I get to my stop. I'm gonna rev the truck and tell you that's how a turbo sounds. And my stop is like right down the road here. And I'm going legit that fast. That's so fast I'm going. And I'm almost out of gas. Why don't you look at that? Should I stop by the gas station and give the truck up with gas? Nah, we don't need gas. Gas is for wimps. If you can't drive to like 150 miles down the road, what kind of trucker do you call yourself? And I put my truck into a complete stop like a big old fool. Okay, we're here. Let's turn up some music here. Yeah, good old American music, bros, boys, and girls. I know there's some girls down there. And where the hell am I going? Oh, pull that brakes, boy. I gotta go all the way around here. Gotta go take a nice turn right here. Woo! I ain't gonna hit this new brand new car. This dude's like, oh, don't you dare hit my car. But in reverse, this music is actually getting damn loud. Okay, let's go up into first gear. Don't hit this dude's car. Come on. Come on. Oh gosh. Almost there. Please let me go. Oh my gosh. Don't hit this dude's car, please. Here's the boring part. Okay, then this is happening. Come on, boy. Turn. Turn, boy, turn. Legit. Turn, bro. Oh my gosh. How am I gonna do this now? Like, legit, go this. Go. Mm, I know this is. Oh gosh. Damn it. Oh my gosh. How am I gonna do this? This music is legit loud in my ears. Okay, let's see what am I doing. Okay, stop. Let's get the truck forward now. Let's go forward. Um, Okay, this is the right way. Oh, God, knocks out of here. Let's see what I'm doing actually. Okay, put this in reverse. Let's go. This is this is my best skills, bro. Okay, now let's go down there. That's where I want to go. Let's go, guys. Oops, that's not what I want to do. Oh, she looks beautiful, boys and girls. I never forget the girls, especially the girls. I never forget about them. So, guys, what? How was your night? It's not. Yes, it is currently night. So, how was your night, guys? That's good. Let's go over here. Let's do this. Ooh, yes, guys. Welcome to the railroad. The railroad. Why my truck is rolling? Oh, my bad. Apply parking brake. So let's see what I'm gonna do. Okay, nope. My mouse is running away again. So I'm gonna play it safe. Always play it safe, boys. Always play it safe, boys and girls. Don't forget the girls. Okay, now let's go. I'm gonna try mute the music for a second. I don't think I can mute the music. That's the problem. Mm. Okay, now let's pop it in reverse. Okay, now. That's a tight squeeze. Let's pop it back into first gear. Why is my truck doesn't? Okay. Okay, now let's pop in reverse. Okay, go. Oh my gosh, wrong way. My gosh. Stop doing that. This is not even the hardest parking. Okay, let's pop in first gear. Let's go, guys. So, guys, this is gonna be basically the end of this video. So, tell me if you want me to, tell me if you want me to keep doing this type of episodes. Just let me know in the comments down below. I won't say if you long distance. No, high value. I'm do good at high value. Why it ain't doing it? Oh, gotta press the plus. Dumb dumb. So guys, this will be the end. Okay, now when I get off the gas pedals, like my mouse does not want to work. So guys, ooh, new upgrades available. Hmm. Anyways, I would like this engine, but currently not my truck. So guys, tell me if you like this episode. Just please tell me. Just please tell me, guys. But just like that, this video is now over. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye bye. Bye. Actually, I'm